Hi everybody, it's Lily Joe's Vent Lounge. I'm Leslie. So today my iPhone, I updated it, and when I got done updating, it came up to the hello screen with a new 4-digit passcode that I did not put in there. The iPhone reset it. So I looked all over the web trying to figure out how to fix this. It's my son Kai, you guys. And I couldn't figure it out, but I did. So we went to Walmart, I took a break from it, and when I got back, before I went to put in that 4-digit code again, that I didn't know what it was because it kept locking me out every time I got it wrong, there underneath hello on your iPhone is a regulatory in blue. I want you to click that, and then the very top line you're gonna see like some words, and there's gonna be a 4-digit number. So mine was 2944. I don't care that I'm sharing that with you. That is not going to be your number. All iPhones have their own number. So what you'll do is you'll go to regulatory, the very top line, there'll be some words and then a 4-digit number. Put that 4-digit number in. That's going to unlock the phone. Once it unlocks, it's going to pull up your passcode for you to put your passcode in. Put that in, and it's going to do that little dial thing where it's resetting. And once it's done, it goes to your stuff, and you are good to go. This is for iPhone users. If you get this, please share it with everybody you know, because I was freaking out. I thought I was going to lose everything. People have called Apple to fix this, and nobody can fix it. They try to tell you that you reset it and you must have forgot your password. Well, that's not true. The phone is resetting it to that 4-digit number that is in the top line once you hit regulatory. If you like this video and it helped, give it a thumbs up. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm Leslie. This is Kylan, and we're out.
Wait!
What?
Comment down below if you liked it.
Oh, yes, you can totally comment if this worked for you.
And give it a thumbs up.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.